Are you ready to level up your Upwork career and land those dream projects? Today we're going to deep dive into the art of writing winning proposals that will land you your dream projects and lucrative opportunities. But hold on tight, because in this video we are not stopping at tips and tricks. I'm going to actually show you step by step how to write a winning proposal for an actual project on Upwork. In this video, we will pick a project together, analyze the job description, and write a winning proposal for it that the clients will say, this is the freelancer that I'm looking for. My name is Shayan, I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, and I've earned plus $20,000 on the platform so far, as I've cracked the secrets into how to write winning proposals on the platform. Today, I'm going to share all of my secrets with you so you can land those dream projects on Upwork as well. Without wasting the time, let's get started. The first step towards writing winning proposals on Upwork actually begins before you start writing them. In order to write a winning proposal on the platform, you need to put time and analyze the job description carefully, see what are the requirements and goals of the client. As you can see on my screen, I have actually picked an actual job on Upwork, and we are going to briefly analyze this job and then write the proposal together. The first thing that you want to make sure is to research the client for the very first impressions. You want the client to be payment method verified, preferably to have a few hires already on the platform, so you can see if this client is respectful, communicates well, and pays you on time. As you can see here, this client is from the United States of America. He has already paid 1.3K on the platform, and from 2 reviews he has 5 stars. So this client is actually your ideal client that you want to be looking for. Then moving up with the job description, very first thing that you want to analyze is the title. In this case we have new site design uplift. So just from the title we can understand that this client is looking to actually redesign a news website. Moving on with the description, then you have some details about this job, such as that they want to update the navigation menu, they want a new logo, they want to remove the contact button, and so forth. Another very important thing on this job description is the deadline. So the client is saying that they want to achieve this website redesign before August the 3rd. If you want to have more information about this client, I recommend you to come down and also read the feedback from other freelancers that have worked with this client before. Alright, now that we have carefully read the job description, analyzed it together, we can start writing the proposal, a proposal that is tailor-made to the specific goals and requirements of this client. So let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear freelancers, your work starts the very moment that you tap on the cover letter section. So in order to do so, you want to avoid generic greetings. You want to avoid saying dear sir or madam. You want to avoid say hello sir, hello ma'am. What is the best thing to do is to actually grab the attention of the client at the very beginning by addressing them with their names. Now you might come up with the question, how the hell can I know the client's first name? I know how. Very often they leave the first name of the client in their feedback. So in this case, he actually calls Jake. Now that you have the first name of the client, you have to actually copy this and come to your proposal and start by saying, dear Jake. Now immediately from saying hello sir or madam, very usual and very generic titles, we added a personal touch to the proposal and we started our proposal with dear Jake. This definitely grabs the attention of your client and also adds a personal touch to it. Definitely it shows as well that you've made your research into the client. So once you have actually wrote the great things by addressing the client's first name, it's your job now to immediately grab the attention of your client and immediately show them why you are a good fit for the job. By the very beginning of the proposal, I have demonstrated some credibility. I have mentioned that I'm a top rated. I have completed successfully plus 14 projects on the platform and I have a 92% client satisfaction rate. These metrics add credibility and professionalism into my cover letter. Next, in order to show that you are a good fit for the project and also you are capable of achieving the client's goals and requirements, you need to include past projects into your proposal. In order to do so, I'm going to write in this way. Here, you need to go to your Upwork profile, grab that feedback and put it right here. To not make this video very long, I'm going to just put feedback here as this is a try. Now that you've added an extra layer of credibility to your Upwork proposal and you've demonstrated that you have achieved successful results from previous projects, now it's time to show some relevant examples from your work. For example, as a web designer, I'm going to include a few links of my previous website design projects to show the client that I'm capable of achieving their goals and meeting their requirements. The next step towards writing a winning proposal that can land your high-paying projects is to include a CTA at the bottom of your proposal. A CTA, call to action, means that you want to show the next step to the client. You want to clear any doubt they have, you want to answer any questions they have, and also you want to make the process of hiring you easier for the client. You have many ways to add a CTA to your proposal, but I'm going to recommend you two of the most efficient ones. The first one is actually to offer a free consultation on Upwork. The second one can be to offer a free Zoom meeting with the client to discuss their project further, also remove any doubts they have and answer any potential questions that they might have about you or the project. So here is how we're going to offer that CTA, that free Zoom meeting to the client. However, your efforts doesn't just stop there. In order to improve your proposal and also encourage the client to hire you, you want to use this attachment section to your favor. You want to attach 1 or 2 case studies that are relevant to this job description to show again that you are capable of solving the client's problems, achieving their goals and meeting their requirements. In order to do so, you just need to click on the upload button and attach 1 or 2 case studies, PowerPoint presentations or any other type of documents that demonstrates your capability and also professionalism to the client. So now that you know how to effectively analyze job descriptions and also write winning proposals on Upwork and you're just ready to send that proposal, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. In order to do so, you can use Grammarly, which is a free platform that analyzes your text for free and gives you recommendations based on your text. For example, you can see that with a few clicks, I'm going to actually fix my proposal and also correct any mistakes, typos or grammar mistakes on my proposal. You can use Grammarly for free and also it has an add-on for Google Chrome. However, this video is not sponsored by Grammarly. Don't forget, in order to become a successful freelancer on Upwork, you need to be patient, consistent with your efforts and also refine your proposals until you achieve the best results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so more freelancers like you can benefit from this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips, tricks, guides and strategies about how to becoming a successful freelancer on Upwork in 2023. Thank you for watching this video and until next time, happy freelancing.